Welcome to the wonderful world of gardening, where the simple act of planting a seed can lead to a bountiful harvest and a beautiful sanctuary of nature. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting your green journey, understanding the fundamentals of gardening is key to cultivating a successful and flourishing garden. In this list, we'll explore the essential principles that form the backbone of gardening, providing you with the knowledge and skills to nurture your plants and create a thriving outdoor haven. From site selection and soil preparation to proper watering, pruning, and pest management, these fundamental practices will empower you to grow with confidence and reap the rewards of your labor. So, let's dig in and unlock the secrets to cultivating a garden that will bring joy, beauty, and a taste of nature's bounty right to your doorstep. The fundamentals of gardening encompass essential principles and practices that form the foundation of successful and rewarding plant cultivation. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, understanding these basics is crucial for achieving thriving and beautiful gardens. Here are the key fundamentals. 1. Site selection. Choose a suitable location for your garden that receives adequate sunlight, usually 6-8 hours per day, and has well-draining soil. Consider factors like proximity to water sources, protection from harsh weather conditions, and ease of access for maintenance. 2. Soil preparation. Prepare your soil before planting by removing weeds, rocks, and debris. Amend the soil with organic matter, such as compost or well-rotted manure, to improve its structure, fertility, and water retention capabilities. 3. Plant selection. Select plants that are well suited to your climate, soil type, and available sunlight. Consider factors like the plant's mature size, water requirements, and compatibility with neighboring plants. 4. Proper planting. Plant seeds or seedlings at the appropriate depth and spacing, following instructions on seed packets or plant tags. Water the newly planted seeds or seedlings thoroughly to promote root establishment. 5. Watering. Consistent and adequate watering is essential for plant health. Water deeply and at the base of the plants to encourage root growth and reduce water wastage. Adjust watering frequency based on weather conditions and plant needs. 6. Mulching. Apply organic mulch around plants to conserve soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Mulching also improves soil health as it decomposes over time. 7. Weeding. Regularly remove weeds that compete with your plants for water, nutrients, and sunlight. Weeding prevents weed encroachment and maintains a tidy garden appearance. 8. Fertilization. Feed your plants with balanced fertilizers to provide essential nutrients for healthy growth. Follow recommended application rates and avoid over-fertilization, which can harm plants and the environment. 9. Pruning and deadheading. Prune plants as needed to remove dead or damaged parts and shape their growth. Deadhead flowers to encourage continuous blooming and tidy appearance. 10. Pest and disease management. Monitor plants for pests and diseases regularly. Employ integrated pest management techniques, including cultural, biological, and organic controls, to minimize the use of chemical pesticides. 1. Harvesting. Harvest fruits, vegetables, and flowers at the appropriate stage of ripeness to ensure the best taste and quality. Regular harvesting also encourages continuous production in some plants. 12. Observation and learning. Be attentive to your garden's needs and learn from your gardening experiences. Observe plant responses to different conditions and adapt your gardening practices accordingly. By mastering these fundamentals, you'll lay a solid groundwork for a successful and enjoyable gardening experience. As you gain knowledge and experience, you'll become better equipped to nurture and cultivate a thriving and vibrant garden. Happy gardening!